trying to follow. I'm trying to follow it like I'm recording it.
Oh, are you?
I'm trying to follow it, but I'm not looking at it. I can't really see. I'm trying to just hold it where I think he is. You know what I mean?
Yep. Ooh. That was close.
Close, dude. It's all right.
Is it?
And there's only 2 airlines that fly out of here, Allegiant and Spirit.
Huh.
Well, they're not really about as busy as Ontario, probably about half as busy.
Yeah.
They're busy right now because all the snowbirds are flying.
Oh.
The Allegiant goes to the little podunk town.
Yeah.
You know, Monami, Wisconsin, places like that. Instead of flying to like Chicago, Seattle,
Gotcha.
You know, they fly to the smaller towns.
Come back and maybe a low one again.
Like I said, I'm not sure.
Not too bad, in fact.
Not bad for a $10 truck line.
That's what it is. Even in the wind.
What size battery are you using?
1,000.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. All the draws about 15 amps. It's got one of the hobby people 1800s. Yeah, 7.5.
There's
Yeah.
they've got some extras, and you can go learn to fly aerobatics.
Oh wow. Okay, come in here.
I hope so. My shoulder's giving out. He laid up there nice. What do you think, Ray?
Stabilizer in.
Oh.
I'll have to cut the other one and make it look right. Flies good. That's real good in the wind.
All
I
right.
think it likes Arizona.
All right.